This bigger one's a lot stronger. Stays connected better. I'm well happy with it, so I'm keeping it. It was. Now, this signal's like 1 bar. It's all the way to 5 bars. Plus, yeah. So as soon as I switched over, there's more people here on the vertical. Anyway, I just want to make sure you guys have the best signal possible from anywhere in Arizona. Now we can just catch some lightning or some UFO. Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you. I'm not sure if the camera. No, it isn't. Now I'm just gonna chill out, man. I could have my good camera hooked up, and then that's awesome. But it's sitting right here. I'm just being lazy. And hey, where's my laptop? I think I left my laptop at home anyway. I need the laptop to do that. I haven't figured out how to get it on the pad. There should be a way, but not yet. I'll try again. Anyway, these cameras are pretty nice pictures anyway. I have to agree. And the blue in there is a little better than the blue that I actually look at on both cameras. Now, if we could just catch a little bit of lightning strike. Yep, that's right. It was supposed to be lightning because I came up here to get it, and then it stopped. Yeah, the forward picture is showing some decent rain, and I even heard lightning and thunder, or heard thunder. You know what I mean? Oh well. Oh well. But might be a nice sunset. I don't know if I can stay up here that long, but yeah, it could be. Hey, Georgia. Yeah, I'm waiting for aliens. Did you see one yet? It should pop in through the clouds for a second if you did see one. This is when they like to come around because there's all that coverage up there, and you might see them in a gap here and there. I'm gonna smoke some more.